How would you define bullying?
So when you break it down by definition, first of all, we have to look at what is it and what it isn't. And by definition, if something happens, even in a period of time of just 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, and it all starts with I wake up in the morning with an agenda, and you and I are in the same language arts class, but I just don't like you. Maybe because of your ethnicity, your race, maybe you're a better athlete, maybe you're smarter than me. So I'm going to start my victimization towards you or your friends early in the day. And it's probably, we'll say it started to this morning, maybe with some name calling, some verbal harassment of some sort on the bus, at the bus stop. I take it into the school, and it progresses during the course of the day. So now we have some level of duration, right? It's occurring frequently throughout the course of the day.
It's not just once.
It's not just once. And then it's probably already happened prior last week, maybe Monday, Tuesday. We're now into Wednesday. I'm still doing it because, again, I wasn't fond of you Monday. I'm not going to be fond of you today. So now we get an intensity to that. It's getting worse for you because now you're coming home. Your parents are saying, well, how was your day? Well, my day was good. And you got your head down and you don't really want to get, well, tell me about it. Well, I don't really want to talk about it. So you go to your room. Well, where's your backpack? Well, I left it at school. What do you mean you left it at school? This is the second one we bought you. Why are you missing a shoe? Why are you missing an iPhone? What's going on? So the children, they're already in silence. So then you have that power base. It's either me by myself, because I'm ultimately intrinsically stronger than you, because I'm empowered to be, or I get my additional colleagues or friends, right, my peers, to gang up on you. So you have that power base. So you have a duration, frequency, intensity, and power base. If they're all in the same position, either one day of what I've done to you, or the course of a week, a month, or an entire school year, without any intervention, you truly have a case of bullying.
So duration, frequency,
intensity, and power base.
Wow.
In the forms. Now, that's the criteria. Now, that criteria is the same criteria that we would look at for domestic violence, child molestation, elderly victimization, child abuse. It's just that we, in many organizations, whether it's the NFL or the Crimes Victims Council, may tag it as different, but the criteria is the same of when somebody wants to inject some form of hatred or pain psychologically or physically towards you. So you're going to have that imbalance of power. And what the bully or bullies want is to cause you some form of suffering, either, again, physically, psychologically, which on the psychological realm, we're looking at that social, not wanting to have you participate, not wanting to be a part of my cafeteria group or playground group or what have you, because you're just not cool like we are. You're really a worthless person, or you're not part of the cool kids.